On this blistery cold morning, I woke up to several alerts that let me know that my children didn't have school today. So instead of just laying around the house, I decided to be productive and see if I could get 7 heads done in one day. I started with taking Lily's braids down. Lily's braids were pretty easy to remove this time, so I'm just giving her hair a good wash and adding some leave-in conditioner and blowing her hair dry. By the time Lily's hair was blow-dried, it was time for lunch. I decided to start with Gabe first because he was on his way to take a nap. After I finished up with Gabe's hair, I decided to go ahead and do the other 4 boys. And I didn't get the end of Ethan's haircut. He decided to just get an even fade. You can see Ethan's videos on my Reese DIY YouTube channel, and I will leave the link to his most popular video in the description box below. After I finished up Emmanuel's hair, I was pretty tired. It was time for me to take a nap, but it wasn't too long before I had to get dinner and get up and get Miracle's hair started. Now my hubby's home and I got some help with the kiddos. Finally, Lily's back for the final styling of the day. If you'd like to see a full tutorial on how I did Lily's hair, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I will have that uploaded in the next couple days. Thanks for watching.